No one is here. This is all 360-degree view, and no one is here. But the view is really beautiful, the fresh air, the mountains, the clouds, the greenery, and there is kind of snow peak. I don't know, it's after Surpass, I think. It's different when I'm not sure about that. It's really beautiful. Every youth should trek here, and you young people, don't just sit in your rooms in city, don't just spend your day in cubicle, roam around, feel like home. Oh my god. See you guys in next clip.